Will, what would you say you're most excited about to use on out there on the trail?
I believe it will be my hammer knife.
Ah, very nice.
And
very nice.
also, it's flint and steel. So I will be striking up the fire tonight in this wonderful interview.
Great. Always glad to hear from Will. Let's ask Thomas. Thomas, what are you most excited to use on the trail tonight?
I don't know, probably the bear mace.
The bear mace. Oh, you want to use the bear mace?
No,
hopefully we won't have to.
using it.
All right, David. What are you most excited to use about tonight?
I'm so glad you asked.
Continue to stay tuned, because
Got what you need
what?
to record this optimally.
We got the river now.
We're going up slow.
We're off, everyone.
What?
I said we're off, everyone.
We're off.
We're on the way.
But wait, but first, let me show you something.
Oh, we're officially on the trail now.
We're coming out on the 16th.
Where are we at here? The sign in?
17th. Does it look like we're gonna have a lot of company?
Number in party 6.
Let's ask Tate how he's feeling. How you
feeling good.
Feeling good?
Feeling like I'm gonna win.
Like you're gonna win.
You're a winner? Yeah, I'm a winner. You're a winner? I'm a winner. You're a winner.
All right, Tate. So what's today?
Okay, guys. So here's the plan. We're gonna walk about 0.1 miles, and then we're gonna go see a waterfall, and then we're gonna walk all the way. We're gonna walk along this river for about 4 miles, and then we're gonna camp at the bottom. And then tomorrow we're gonna be going up and down, up and down. We're gonna eat lunch by the creek. We're gonna stop by the river, use the toilet, and then finally we're gonna stop right by the fish hatchery. Then we're gonna, camp up to the mountaintop, and then that'll be the end of it.
And don't worry, Dylan, because if we see any bears, I've got my.
There's some guy named Ellicott, and he found the rock. He wrote like the date on this rock, and apparently it's still there to this day if the tide's low enough. But we have never seen it, and we have no idea where it is. It's called Ellicott's Rock.
Actually, I think we might know.
That sounds like a load of crap to me.
There's this huge boulder in the middle of the river that we will see, and it might be there.
It might be there.
Now that was crazy.
Yes. All right, everyone. Oh, no,